Homeowners in Glendale take pride in their homes, and with good reason. The city's mix of desert landscapes, mountain views, and abundant sunshine provides the perfect backdrop for beautiful home design. If you're looking for a way to take full advantage of that natural beauty, picture windows are an ideal addition. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to bring in maximum light and highlight the views outside your home while improving energy efficiency and aesthetics inside. Here's why more Glendale homeowners are choosing picture windows to brighten their spaces and elevate their living experience. Bringing Arizona's natural light indoors. One of the biggest advantages of picture windows is their ability to flood your home with natural light. With Glendale's nearly year-round sunshine, this is a feature you'll enjoy every single day. Picture windows have expansive, unobstructed glass panels that allow sunlight to pour in, instantly making any room feel larger, warmer, and more inviting. Whether you're illuminating your living room, dining area, or home office, this infusion of natural light can help you reduce your reliance on artificial lighting and even boost your mood. For homeowners who want to make their homes feel more open and airy, picture windows are a perfect choice. Framing beautiful Glendale views. Glendale's scenic surroundings, from its palm-lined neighborhoods to the nearby mountains, provide stunning outdoor views that deserve to be appreciated. Picture windows act like a frame for nature, turning your view into living art. Because these windows don't have grids or hardware in the way, you get a completely clear view of the outdoors. Imagine enjoying a sunset over the desert or watching the morning light filter through your backyard, all from the comfort of your air-conditioned living room. Picture windows are especially popular in areas of the home that face scenic landscapes or gardens, helping you stay connected to Glendale's outdoor beauty while enjoying indoor comfort. Energy efficiency that keeps your home comfortable despite their large size. Modern picture windows are incredibly energy efficient. Unlike older single-pane designs, today's models feature double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulating gas fills that minimize heat transfer. For Glendale homeowners, that means keeping the desert heat outside during summer and preserving cool air inside, a must for staying comfortable and lowering energy costs. Because picture windows don't open or close, they also provide a tight, weatherproof seal, preventing drafts and air leaks. Combined with professional installation, these features make picture windows one of the most energy-efficient window styles available. Low maintenance and long-lasting performance. One of the biggest perks of picture windows is their low-maintenance design. Since they don't have moving parts or hinges, there's less wear and tear over time. Cleaning is easy. Simply wipe down the large glass panel to keep it crystal clear. Additionally, modern picture windows are made with durable frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which resist warping, cracking, and fading, even in Glendale's hot, sunny climate. With minimal upkeep, they'll look beautiful and perform efficiently for decades. Enhancing home design and value. Beyond their functional benefits, picture windows dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal and interior design. They create a focal point in any room, drawing attention to your home's best features, whether it's a vaulted ceiling, a stunning backyard, or an open floor plan. Buyers are also drawn to homes with plenty of natural light and energy-efficient features, making picture windows a value-boosting investment. They help your home stand out in Glendale's competitive real estate market while improving everyday comfort and style. Perfect for combining with other window styles. Another advantage of picture windows is their versatility. Many Glendale homeowners pair them with casement, double-hung, or awning windows to create a customized look that combines panoramic views with added ventilation. This design flexibility allows you to personalize your home's aesthetic while maintaining functionality and energy performance. A bright investment for Glendale homeowners. If you're looking to enhance your home's natural beauty, improve energy efficiency, and create a brighter, more open living space, picture windows are a stunning solution. They capture Glendale's sunlight, highlight the landscape, and transform ordinary rooms into extraordinary spaces. To get the best results, work with a trusted Glendale window installation professional who understands the local climate and can recommend energy-efficient options designed for Arizona's heat. With expert installation and high-quality materials, your new picture windows will add lasting comfort, beauty, and value to your Glendale home.